Make sure the washer is disconnected from the wall outlet before proceeding. Turn off the water faucets. Put a towel on the floor to catch any water dripping from the water valve and disconnect the two fill hoses. Put the two fill hoses on the top like these and open the water faucets. If you get a good amount of water coming from the fill hoses like this, you know that the faucets and the fill hoses are working properly. Make sure the washer is disconnected from the wall outlet before proceeding. Use a potty knife like this to open the top panel. Set your multimeter to read ohms. Disconnect the wires from one of the solenoids and take a reading. Disconnect the wires on the other solenoid and take a reading. The reading should be between 800 and 1200 ohms on each one of the solenoids. If the reading is infinity in any of the two solenoids, the water valve is bad and you need to replace it. To check the thermistor, remove the wires and take a reading. The reading should be between 40 and 60,000 ohms. If the reading is infinity, the thermistor is open and you will need to replace a complete water valve assembly. To replace the water valve, turn the water faucets off and use a potty knife to open the top panel like this. Put a towel on the floor to catch any water dripping when you remove the fill hoses. Remove the two fill hoses and unscrew the holding screw. Grab the water valve with the wires attached to it and remove it. Set the new water valve in place and secure it with the holding screw. Transfer the wires and the hose from the bad water valve to the new one. Install the two fill hoses and close the top panel.